Well, the difference between wrought iron and cast iron, night and day, you could say, because sure, they're both iron, but made completely differently. The end result very different for cooks, and particularly the expert cooks. Wrought iron, half the weight of cast iron, and that's by nature of the way cast is made thicker. Wrought iron much more conductive, so you can turn your burners down about half, and that's to get to heat, and then for the rolling heat, so much more efficient, much more conductive. The surface of our wrought iron pans, much smoother and pre-seasoned at the factory, with a method we patented, by the way. And then cast iron, this one's pre-seasoned, but very rough in the surface. It's you know, quite bumpy, so it takes a while to get that smooth with more seasoning. Yeah, and that's why chefs actually use our wrought iron, but rarely use cast iron.